Welcome to Poshier. I'm Matthew, and I'll be showing you how to create complex food item for the menu in this video. Let's start by tapping the menu button at the bottom if you're not there yet. In order to access this feature, you must sign in as an administrator. By default, the account you sign up with is already an administrator. In today's video, we will build a tea collection, which will include 2 price variants and a collection of teas to choose from when ordering. Now let's get started. Tap the plus icon at the top right to bring up the edit menu. Tap category. And select drink. And then enter tea into the name field. Tap price variant. Enter hot for $5 and iced for $8. Tap apply. OK, let's tap the arrow in the requirements section. Tap new. Here we can build a selection of teas. Enter tea selection for the name of this requirement. Enter the tea name to the list below. Leave the selection type as single. Tap Save. Tap the tea selection item. Pick a photo if you have one. Tap Save. That's it. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.